In this video, we'll guide you through the process of installing OpenClaw on Windows, ensuring that you have a fully operational setup to leverage its powerful toolset effectively. Welcome to our guide on setting up OpenClaw on Windows. Did you know that OpenClaw is one of the leading tools used by developers worldwide for its powerful capabilities? In this video, we'll dive into each step needed to install it seamlessly on your Windows system. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, mastering this setup will enhance your workflow and productivity. Stay tuned as we walk you through downloading the necessary files, installing prerequisites, and optimizing your setup. Let's get started.
The first step to setting up OpenClaw is downloading the necessary files. Head over to the official OpenClaw website. Make sure to choose the version specifically designed for Windows. This step is crucial as it ensures compatibility with your system. Before proceeding, double-check that your system meets the minimum requirements listed on the site. Once confirmed, click on the Download button to get the installation package. After downloading, it's a good practice to verify the file's integrity to avoid any corrupted files. This will save you a lot of troubleshooting later on. Before we dive into the installation of OpenClaw, it's essential to ensure that all necessary drivers are installed on your Windows system. Start by identifying any missing drivers that OpenClaw might require. You can do this by checking the device manager for any alerts or missing components. Once identified, download and install these drivers from the manufacturer's website. If your system already has the required drivers, verify their versions to ensure they are up to date. Updating your system might be necessary, and remember to reboot your computer after installing these drivers to apply changes effectively. Configuring environment variables is a critical step to ensure OpenClaw operates smoothly. Begin by accessing your system properties. This can be done by right-clicking on this PC and selecting Properties. Navigate to Advanced System Settings and then to Environment Variables. Here, you'll need to add paths related to OpenClaw. This includes the directory where OpenClaw is installed and any associated bin folders. Double-check these entries for any typos or errors, as incorrect configurations can lead to issues. Once done, test the configuration by opening a command prompt and running a simple OpenClaw command to verify everything is set up correctly. With the environment variables configured, it's time to run the initial setup scripts for OpenClaw. These scripts are typically found in the installation directory. Open your command prompt as an administrator and navigate to the folder containing these scripts. Execute them one by one, ensuring to monitor the script output for any errors or warnings. If you encounter any issues, consult the documentation or community forums for solutions. Successful execution of these scripts is crucial as it configures OpenClaw's core functionalities. Once completed, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the setup was successful.
Even with careful preparation, installation issues can occur. Common problems include missing dependencies, incorrect configurations, or script errors. Start by identifying these errors, which are usually logged in the installation log files. Utilize these logs to diagnose the specific problem. The OpenClaw community forums are a valuable resource for troubleshooting advice and recommended fixes. Once you have a potential solution, apply it and thoroughly test to ensure the issue is resolved. Always document the solutions you apply, as they might be useful for future reference or to help others facing similar issues.
After completing the setup, it's crucial to verify the installation of OpenClaw. Start by launching the OpenClaw application from your desktop or Start menu. Execute a few basic commands to ensure the application responds correctly. Pay attention to any errors or warnings that might appear. These could indicate underlying issues. Confirm that all expected functionalities, such as tool integration and environment responsiveness, are working as anticipated. Once satisfied, document this successful installation for your records. This step ensures that you have a reliable point of reference should you need to revisit the setup in the future. To get the most out of OpenClaw, optimizing its settings is essential. Access the Settings menu from within the application, where you can adjust various performance options. Focus on configuring memory usage to ensure that OpenClaw runs smoothly without affecting other applications. Enhancing tool responsiveness can be achieved by adjusting the priority levels of certain processes. It's also beneficial to regularly check for updates within the settings to keep your setup current with the latest features and improvements. By fine-tuning these settings, you'll ensure that OpenClaw operates at its best, providing a seamless user experience.
Security is a top priority when setting up any software, and OpenClaw is no exception. Start by setting strong passwords for your OpenClaw account and any associated services. Configure user permissions carefully to restrict access to sensitive areas of the application. Regularly apply security updates to protect against vulnerabilities. It's also wise to monitor for any suspicious activity within OpenClaw, which could indicate a security breach. Finally, ensure that you have a robust backup system in place for all important data related to OpenClaw. By following these steps, you can safeguard your installation against potential threats. Congratulations on setting up OpenClaw on your Windows system. We've covered the entire installation process, from downloading files to securing your setup. Remember, maintaining your installation with regular updates and optimizations is key to long-term success. We encourage you to engage with the OpenClaw community and share your experiences. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tutorials of OpenClaw and other developer tools. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!